Good day again, guys. This is being a fat biker. It's another weekend and we're going to unbox new tech gadget, which definitely all Filipinos out there, all my kababayan, like this Android TV box. Okay, so let's see how it will look like, how to set up, what's inside the box. Last time we have unboxed this Mi box. Okay, just plain Mi box 4K Ultra HD setup box. Okay, I made some tutorial about this one, but now we're going to unbox the latest predecessor of this one. But before we do the unbox of this one, what's inside, I would like to make some big shout out to Akimain TV. Okay, Akimain TV, my man, and also Kuya Vintras. Okay, thanks for all your supports in my YouTube channel, and to all Team Aki, Team BG. Okay, so now let's start unboxing this one. Let's see what's inside. Okay, let's get it on, guys. Okay, as you can see, this is the Mi box S 4K Ultra HD setup box. The only difference with this is with S. I don't know why. So let's open it. But we're expecting something like there's some HDMI, Wi-Fi capable, of course, and there's some streaming, video streaming. I don't know how it works. Okay. We're expecting also the head unit, the Bluetooth remote control, and the HDMI cable. Okay, on this one. And as you can see here, purely Android TV. Okay, so again, it's like what I said last time: Netflix, Voodoo, YouTube, YouTube, ESPN, and the rest of the famous website or channels you can access by this. Of course, you need to log in. Okay, there are some free channels, free website, but the rest, of course, you need to pay. You need to scratch your card. Okay, so let's open it up and let's see what's inside. Okay. Hey, don't forget, subscribe, click the bell icon, be a fat biker. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, this is the Mi box S. Okay, as you can see here, this is the Mi box head unit. Okay, I can easily differentiate, okay, from the first Mi box. This one, the old one. This one is quite thick. Okay, quite thick size. Of course, the port are still standard. Still have the power port, power supply, the USB option, and of course the very important thing, the HDMI going to your TV, and some audio jack if you would like to hear something on it. Okay, and of course all the serial number. Okay, it's an original Mi box. Okay, that's the first one. There's another one, of course, all the manuals. Okay, all the manuals. Okay, how to set it up. It's so easy. It's so easy to set up this one. Okay, so easy to set up this one. And it is in English. Okay, there's an English, there's a Chinese, and of course Espanol, amigos. Okay, these are things. Okay, other one. some information. Okay. Some warranty. Okay, warranty. And this is the power. Okay, still sealed. The power supply for the Mi box. Okay, this is a user-friendly standard jack going to this Mi box. Okay, that's the power supply. Then the HDMI cable. HDMI cable from your Mi box S unit going to your smart TV or any TV that has a port for HDMI. This is very compatibility or compatible with those kind of TV out there. But I suggest smart TV. That I'm using a smart TV. It's really work. You can enjoy more about this Mi box based on my experience on the old Mi box. Okay, and the Bluetooth. Okay, the Bluetooth remote. Okay, the only difference with this is the old one, the old remote control of this one. Okay, it has a shortcut. Wow, it has a shortcut button for Netflix. Okay, shortcut for Netflix. Unlike the old Bluetooth remote control of the Mi box, the old one, you need to go to the menu, main screen, okay, and then select the Netflix. But this one, just one click, you're already in the Netflix, as you can see here. Okay, there's a Netflix button. And another one is there is a live streaming button. I don't know how to use it. Okay, we will try to read later after the unboxing. There's a live stream button. Okay, this is the new one. Probably this is one of the advantage of the new Mi box S Ultra HD setup box Android TV box. Okay, the remote is really different. Some improvement based on or versus the old one. Okay, this is the one, and of course there is a free battery for, of course, for the remote, the Bluetooth remote. No more. Okay, so that is our Mi box S Ultra HD TV. If you would like to enjoy more crystal clear multimedia movies, okay, channels, website, okay, I think based on experience, the Mi box S or the old Mi box really will give you more entertainment, not just a standard analog channel, but using this one, okay, even the old one or this one that you have unboxed, it's really cool. Okay, I like this one, so that's why I buy another one. Okay, we have different TVs, so I put all Mi box, the rest of our TV here. Okay, so hope you enjoy our unboxing. Okay, continue to follow and subscribe and click the bell icon on my channel, and we have a lot more surprises and more tech gadgets review. Okay, so see you again on the next review next weekend. This is Being Fat Biker. Say, see you next weekend.